Hi Sir Fitz, do you have a current franchise business? How's it going? If the franchise fee is 500k for 3 years, do you have to pay again another 500k after 3 years? Do you have the connections that you can refer? Okay. Wala akong franchise business ngayon. Dati meron fruit shake, no? Sa Boracay. Meron akong fruit shake business franchise sa Boracay which ran for a couple of years. Bakit nagsara? Kasi yung nag-close yung Boracay for renovation, hindi ko na siya ni-renew. Actually, ano yun 3 years yung franchise period. 2 years pa lang siyang in operation, sinara yung Boracay, inaccept naman yung aming pre-termination because ano gagawin namin, di ba? Sinara yung Boracay and ayaw naman namin na nagpapasweldo po kami ng staff and all of that. Anyway, yung franchise fee depende dun sa company. Hindi mo na kailangan bayaran yung royalty fee kasi i-renew mo na lang siya. Pero meron ka pa rin babayaran na renewal fee na mas mura. Ang naalala ko, don't quote me on the price. No? This will just be an example. Meron akong kaibigan na naka-franchise ng isang gas station, major gas station, one of the big 3. Yung parang franchise fee nila is around 5 million pesos. Tapos, nung pag nire-renew nila, 1 million pesos na lang plus a certain percentage of the average sales of the gas station. Parang ganon yung yung renewal na lang after 3 years. Ang medyo risk lang, Zeki, is may mga franchise companies na loko-loko. Bakit loko-loko? Kasi kapag malakas yung branch mo, pag nag-end yung franchise period mo, hindi ka na nila i-renew. Tapos kukunin na nila yung company, kukunin na nung company yung branch mo as their own, di ba? Parang nakakainis yun. Ikaw yung nag-market, ikaw yung nag-grow ng business. Tapos by the time na kailangan mo na siyang i-renew, hindi ka napapayagan or hindi na i-approve yung renewal kasi gusto nila sila na yung magpatakbo. So, what I'm saying is at the start, ask these questions already. Bago ka mag-franchise, tanungin mo na after 3 years, kung gusto kong magpatuloy, do I need to pay this again? Or do I need to pay something lower? Or wala na akong babayaran. I just continue, we just come up with a new contract to renew yung aking franchise period or yung duration ng franchise. And ano yung provisions ninyo if magre-renew na? Will there be approval pa rin? Or automatic yung renewal niya? Pag sinabi ko magre-renew ako, automatic i-renew nyo? Or is there a possibility na hindi i-approve yung renewal ko? For whatever reason. So these are the questions that you need to ask before ka pumirma. Each company may kanya-kanyang rules, but in general, mas mababa or minsan wala ka nang babayaran na franchise fee upon renewal. But again, check if that's the case with the company or if especially kung naging successful yung branch, automatic ba yung renewal. So yan yung mga the things that you have to keep in mind, Zeki. Ngayon, connections that I can refer, well, I have a couple of companies. Ito yung mga franchising companies. So, what do I mean by franchising companies? Sila yung consultants na kung merong isang business na gustong mag-offer ng franchising, sa kanila lalapit. Tapos sila yung mag-aayos nung franchise na kailangan mong gumawa ng ganitong SOP sa business mo, etc. Para pwede nilang i-franchise. Sila yung tutulong dun sa business owner na gumawa ng operating manual and consequently mag-market na rin para makakuha ng mga franchises. So, they're not really connections, but I have contact numbers sa dalawang franchise consultancy businesses or companies, and you can definitely contact them and ask them ano ba yung mga available franchise businesses that is within your budget and may potential dun sa particular area mo. Yun yung maganda na strategy if you're franchising, if you plan to franchise a business. Rather than going directly to the company, you can probably first check dun sa mga franchise consultants kasi baka meron silang pwedeng i-recommend na better dun sa budget mo and mas kailangan dun sa location kung saan mo balak magtayo ng franchise business. Okay? So, yan yung tip kasi ko sa'yo, Zeki. Email mo na lang ako or message me if you want yung contact. But, syempre, ang bibigay ko sa'yo actually si RK Consultancy kung gusto mong i-google mo na lang si RK Consultancy tsaka si Francorp. Ayan na naman yung aking yung aking camera. Pag dalawang thumbs up, ano mangyayari? Ayun. So, sa mga naka-iOS camera, yun, Francorp at saka RK Consultancy, particularly yung meron akong contact numbers. And I think yung Easy Franchise can also do that. Okay? So, maraming salamat, Zeki, sa question mo.